Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something very special to talk about. If you have been following the drone industry, you already know that every new DJI Mini release changes the game in some way. But this time, things look even more exciting. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just another small upgrade. From what we have seen through trusted leaks and insider information, this could be the most powerful sub-250-gram drone ever built. When we say sub-250 gram, we are talking about a class of drones that are light, compact, and usually free from heavy registration requirements in most countries. That makes them the go-to choice for hobbyists, travelers, and even professionals who want to carry something small but still expect professional results. DJI knows this segment very well, and with the Mini 5 Pro, they seem to be taking things to an entirely new level. The first big change that has caught everyone's attention is the redesigned gimbal and camera system. Leaked images show that DJI has completely reworked the front gimbal setup. It now supports a 1-inch image sensor. For drone fans, this is massive. A larger sensor means much better performance in low light, sharper images, and higher resolution video. It is a feature that used to be limited to bigger and more expensive drones. Now, DJI is bringing this power into a drone that weighs less than 250 grams. Imagine having pro-level camera quality in something so portable that you can throw it in your backpack without thinking twice. But that's not all. Alongside the main camera, you can spot dual LiDAR sensors in the leaked photos. These could be game changers for obstacle avoidance and subject tracking. Until now, many lightweight drones had basic avoidance features at best. But with dual LiDAR sensors, the Mini 5 Pro could track subjects with smarter accuracy and fly safely in more complex environments. Whether you are flying through trees, around buildings, or capturing fast-moving subjects, this new setup could make flights smoother and safer. It is almost like DJI is pushing professional-grade intelligence into a beginner-friendly form factor. Now let's talk about the propulsion system. The new drone shows upgraded motors with a darker matte finish. They also support quick-release propellers. At first, this might sound like a small detail, but for people who fly regularly, this is huge. Imagine being in the middle of a shoot, chasing golden hour light, and you need to replace a prop. With the new quick-release system, you swap them in seconds. No tools, no hassle, and no wasted time. This is one of those small design upgrades that make a big impact in real-world use. For photographers and videographers, every minute matters. And DJI clearly understands that. The leaks also show some surprises under the hood. The Mini 5 Pro includes a dedicated power port, something that was previously only seen on DJI's larger Mavic and Air drones. Why does this matter? Because it means you might be able to charge the drone directly from a power bank or external source. Think about it. You're out in the field, in the middle of nowhere, capturing breathtaking landscapes. Instead of worrying about running out of flight time, you can plug the drone into a portable power bank and get back in the air faster. This kind of versatility is what serious creators need, and it's another step forward in making the Mini series more professional. Despite all these upgrades, the drone still appears to remain under the CO classification. For those who may not know, that means in many regions, you don't need to register it. This is one of the main reasons why sub-250-gram drones are so popular. You get all the creative freedom without the extra paperwork. DJI is keeping this advantage intact while packing in more features than ever before. That's a smart move, and it will definitely attract both beginners and professionals. Safety is another area where DJI seems to have made progress. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with removable ducted propeller guards. These resemble the guards from DJI's Mini Flip but are detachable. What this means is flexibility. If you are flying indoors or in tight spaces, you can attach the guards for safety, but if you want maximum speed and agility outdoors, just remove them. This dual approach shows that DJI is targeting both cautious beginners who want safety and advanced pilots who want performance. It's a clever way to appeal to a wider audience. One of the most interesting leaks is the quick launch button on the side of the drone. According to insiders, pressing this button powers up the drone and starts capturing quick shots instantly. You don't even need to connect the controller first. Just imagine you are walking through a scenic location, and suddenly you see something worth capturing. Instead of taking time to set everything up, you press one button, and your drone is already in the air, recording. This is a completely new way of capturing spontaneous moments, and it could change how creators use drones. DJI seems to be taking inspiration from their Neo and Flip models here, but bringing it into the Mini line makes it even more exciting. Of course, we can't talk about a new DJI drone without mentioning price and release date rumors. Current whispers suggest that the Fly More combo with the RC2 controller will cost around $1,200. That's definitely a premium price point, especially for a sub-250-gram drone. But when you consider everything, it offers professional imaging, modular safety features, upgraded motors, quick launch convenience. It starts to make sense. For serious aerial creators, this could be an investment worth making. The rumored release window is September 2026, although availability may vary depending on region. Let's step back for a moment and think about what all of this means. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could redefine ultralight drones. It offers professional-grade imaging. In a body that weighs less than 250 grams, it gives you quick-release propellers for less downtime. It adds external power support for longer shooting sessions. It brings modular safety options that balance protection and performance. It introduces a one-button quick launch system for instant creativity, and it maintains CO weight compliance so that flying it is legally simple in most countries. If these leaks are accurate, the Mini 5 Pro may become the most versatile and capable sub-250-gram drone we've ever seen. And that is saying something, because the competition in this category has been heating up. By combining portability, pro-level imaging, and smart new features, DJI could capture the attention of both travel vloggers and experienced aerial filmmakers. Think about what this means for someone who creates travel content. Instead of carrying heavy gear, they could pack this drone in their bag and be ready to capture cinematic shots on demand. No bulky equipment, no registration hassle, just instant creativity. For seasoned filmmakers, it could be the perfect secondary drone that complements their larger setups. It's small, agile, and ready for those unique shots that bigger drones can't capture as easily. In many ways, the Mini 5 Pro looks like a game changer. It blends the best of both worlds: portability and performance. DJI has always been known for pushing boundaries, but this time, they are pushing them in a segment that truly impacts everyday creators. The possibilities here are exciting, and if the leaks are real, then the launch of this drone will be one of the biggest moments in the drone industry in years. So, what we know so far is this: the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with a redesigned camera system featuring a 1-inch sensor, dual LiDAR sensors for smarter navigation,